Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Beverlyn Argabutan, 33 years old, from Gataran, province of Cagayan. I am single with live-in partner and blessed with two children, both boys, ages 14 years old and 6 years old. I am a college graduate and I took up Bachelor of Science in Police Administration. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and gardening. I work as a housemaid here in Philippines for 10 years. My first job is from May 2013 to May 2017. I serve 4 members of the family, a couple and their two children, ages 10 years old and 12 years old, both boys. I clean the house, I cook their meals, and wash the laundry. My second job is from January 2020 to January 2026. I serve 4 members of the family. I took care of their children, ages 2 years old girl and a 5 years old boy. I also do the housekeeping, cooking their meals, and car washing. I want to work in Hong Kong to sustain the needs of my family and for their future. I am willing to take good care of the newborn babies, toddler, children, or elderly. I will treat them as my family. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid and I promise to do my work properly and stay until you like me. Thank you and looking forward to work with you soon.